Former NCB manager sentenced to 7 years and 6 months.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The former senior manager at the National Commercial Bank, who admitted to swindling $34 million from the financial institution, was on Monday, May 31st, sentenced to a total of 7 years and 6 months in prison. 52-year-old Andrea Gordon was sentenced to 5 years and 4 months on 3 counts of larceny as a servant, 2 years and 11 months on 3 counts of access with intent to commit an offense, and to 7 years and 6 months on 7 counts of engaging in a transaction involving criminal property. Her fate was decided by Justice Lorna Shelley Williams in the Home Circuit Court, who ruled that the sentences are to run concurrently. The mother of 2 appeared remorseful and ashamed as she sat in the prisoner's dock. The once highly respected bank manager previously pleaded guilty in April and was remanded. The court heard that Gordon's criminal behavior was discovered in June of 2020 after the bank received intelligence that she had been conducting fraudulent transactions. Based on subsequent investigations, it was discovered that she transferred money from the bank's internal system to her personal accounts and also to her family members, as well as accounts belonging to customers. Gordon had used the funds to purchase items including clothing, handbags, and to fund construction on her Coolwater Havendale premises in St. Andrew. However, when confronted about the embezzlement, Gordon told investigators that she took the money to assist a relative who had cancer, and also because she was going through financial difficulties after she started building her home in 2017. The court had previously heard that Gordon posted approximately 282 suspicious transactions, totaling over $111 million. To be exact, $111,262,660.21. However, the indictment on which she was sentenced only accounted for $34 million over the period February 2017 to May 2020. Gordon, who worked at NCB's Atrium headquarters, was employed to the bank for 30 years, and at the time of the offense was earning $11.1 million per year. In the meantime, a July 9 date has been scheduled for a case management hearing pertaining to an application for a forfeiture and pecuniary penalty order that has been filed by the Financial Investigation Division, FID.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!